Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, we're gonna do something different. I'm not gonna cook. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I really wanna explain about the Patreon and Patreon benefits. If you sign up for the Patreon, you can support my channel to make bigger and a better content. Currently, I have 3 different kind of membership. $2 one, which is Kwon's Fam, $5 one, Kwon's Elder, and $20 one, Kwon's MVP. MVP, not VP. If you sign up for $2 one, you can access to the Patreon only Discord, and you can ask me any kind of question and I will answer immediately as soon as possible. We can talk about anything, K-pop, drama, or anything you like. You can also get 24-hour early access to my YouTube video. Woohoo! Also, you can access behind the scenes content every week. And I'm planning to have a Q&A and cooking live stream, so you can cook along with me or ask me questions. That's it for today's episode. That's it for $2 Kwon's Fam membership, and for $5 you can join Kwon's Elders. As a Kwon Elder, you will get exclusive recipes and content such as PDF recipes and videos, and you'll be able to vote for Kwon's Corner future episode by polling. You will get your name in the credits at the every episode. You will get your names in the credit. You will get your name in the credits of. It's hard. Of the end of the every episode. You get that far, right? This is my 20 times. Okay. Focus. You will get your name in the credits of every Kwon's Corner episode. Woohoo! I got it. And everything in the previous tier. Last is Kwon's Corner MVP. If you're becoming an MVP, you'll be able to submit ideas for Kwon's Corner episode that Kwon Elders will vote for. And I will make you a personal thank you video. And everything in the previous tiers. If you sign up to Kwon Fam in the next 7 days, I will send you 3 exclusive Patreon recipes. If you sign up for Kwon Elder in the next 7 days, I will write you a handwritten postcard and a recipe and send it to you. And if you sign up for MVP in the next 7 days, I will pee my pants and you can tell me what you want me to do. That's it for today's episode, and thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. See you on Sunday. Bye bye! Bye bye!